Hey, biking enthusiasts! Today, we're taking a ride into the future with the top 5 electric bikes for 2024. From commuting to off-road adventures, these bikes offer a thrilling and eco-friendly way to cruise around town. We'll dive deep into their power, battery life, design, and ride quality, ensuring you find the perfect electric companion for your journeys. All the product links are waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to show some love by hitting the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ringing the notification bell to stay updated on more thrilling reviews. Let's jump into the world of electric bikes. Starting at number 5, AKEZ Super Electric Bike. The AKEZ Super Electric Bike delivers an impressive blend of strength, control, and durability, making it a standout choice for versatile riding experiences. Its 20-inch high-carbon steel double soft tail frame, fortified with a 3-layer paint baking process, ensures both strength and a striking appearance. Featuring dual air shock absorbers and a hydraulic shock absorber front fork, this bike offers exceptional suspension, contributing to a smooth and comfortable ride, even on rough terrains. The 20x4.0 anti-burst tire, paired with double-layer snow rims, guarantees stability and resilience across various surfaces. With a 48V18 lithium battery and a powerful 48-volt 1,500-watt high-speed motor, this bike provides substantial power, allowing riders to reach speeds of up to 50 km/h. The M5 display system offers riders control and visibility over their speed, battery, and mode, enhancing the overall riding experience. The front and rear hydraulic brakes ensure timely and efficient braking, reducing braking distances effectively and enhancing safety. The LED aluminum alloy lamp set illuminates the road during night rides, ensuring visibility and safety. The multifunctional special handlebars and extensive electric bike seat provide riders with a commanding grip and enhanced control, offering a comfortable and controlled riding experience. For riders seeking a powerful, durable, and adaptable electric bike capable of tackling various terrains and delivering a comfortable ride, the AKEZ Super Electric Bike stands as an impressive choice. At number 4, Nathaniel Electric Bike. The Nathaniel Electric Bike presents a compelling blend of power, reliability, and comfort. Featuring a 26-inch aluminum alloy frame, this bike strikes a balance between durability and lightweight design, providing riders with a sturdy yet maneuverable ride. One of its standout features is the 1,000-watt high-speed brushless motor, offering substantial torque and seamless power for tackling steep inclines with ease. Paired with a Shimano 7-speed gear system, riders can effortlessly navigate various terrains while customizing their riding experience. The 48-volt lithium battery, available in 15Ah, 17Ah, or 20Ah capacities, provides ample power for extended rides. With 2 charging methods, riders can conveniently charge the battery on the bike or detach it for charging, ensuring flexibility and ease. Equipped with a 3.5-inch LCD multifunctional display, riders can effortlessly monitor vital riding data like speed, battery level, and distance covered. The display also enables riders to adjust the pedal assist levels, enhancing control based on road conditions or personal preference. The inclusion of front and rear disc brakes, along with the aluminum alloy frame, ensures a safe and reliable braking system with efficient heat dissipation, contributing to a secure riding experience. Additionally, the 4.0 fat tires offer stability and traction across various surfaces, while the soft tail shock absorber provides enhanced comfort, particularly on uneven terrains. Tailored for adults and teenagers alike, the Nathaniel Electric Bike offers a combination of power, adaptability, and comfort, making it an ideal choice for those seeking an enjoyable and versatile riding experience. At number 3, AKEZ Electric Bicycle. The AKEZ Electric Bicycle embodies adaptability and durability, catering to riders looking for a versatile, high-speed bike. Engineered with a 48-volt 750-watt or 48-volt 1,500-watt high-speed motor, this bike propels riders to speeds of up to 45 km/h with a range of 40-50 km. Its multiple modes, manual, power-assisted, and electric, offer riders a varied and adaptable riding experience. Constructed with a durable aluminum alloy hydraulic front fork and equipped with front and rear hydraulic brakes, this bike ensures stable and responsive handling. The suspension and braking systems work in tandem to absorb shocks, navigate rough terrains, and ensure smooth, safe rides even at higher speeds. The inclusion of a 20 by 4.0 snow tire set on double snow rims provides exceptional traction and stability on various surfaces. The 7-speed Shimano transmission system offers versatile gear shifting options, enhancing riders' control over different terrains and elevations. Featuring an extended soft seat and a high-carbon steel double soft tail frame, this bike prioritizes rider comfort and endurance. The LED aluminum alloy lamp set ensures clear visibility during night rides, enhancing safety on the road. Its intuitive M5 medium-screen LCD display allows riders to track essential riding metrics and control various functions, ensuring a user-friendly experience. With additional features like a horn, driving lights, and brake lights, this bike caters to riders seeking a robust, adaptable, and reliable electric bike for versatile riding scenarios. At number 2, Sumro Fat Tire Electric Bike. The Sumro Fat Tire electric bike offers a range of customizable motor options ranging from 48-volt 350-watt to 1,000-watt brushless geared hub motors. This versatility caters to diverse riding preferences, from leisurely rides to those seeking higher speeds and robust acceleration. Equipped with a 48-volt 13Ah/17.5Ah lithium-ion battery, this bike ensures long-lasting power for extended rides, covering distances of 40 to 60 miles, 65-95 kilometers in PAS mode. The multifunctional big-screen LCD display provides riders with essential information like speed, distance, and battery level, allowing for easy monitoring and informed decision-making during rides. Constructed with a 60-61 aluminum alloy frame, this bike strikes a balance between durability and a lightweight design, ensuring stability and agility while riding. Its responsive suspension fork absorbs shocks and vibrations from uneven terrains, providing enhanced comfort and control. Featuring hydraulic disc brakes, this bike offers reliable and efficient braking performance, ensuring strong and consistent stopping power even in adverse conditions. The twist throttle control provides effortless acceleration and smooth speed adjustments, contributing to an enjoyable and dynamic riding experience. For riders seeking a versatile and robust electric bike with customizable motor options, long-lasting battery life, and reliable braking systems, the Sumro Fat Tire electric bike emerges as a comprehensive choice. At number 1, Ridstar Winner Folding Electric Bike. The Ridstar Winner Folding Electric Bike offers a compelling mix of portability, adaptability, and performance. Crafted with a sturdy aluminum frame, this bike is both durable and lightweight, weighing in at 30 kilograms. Its versatile design includes modes for pure electric, electric assist, and pedal, providing riders with flexible options to suit their riding preferences. Featuring a 48-volt lithium battery with a capacity of 14 Ah, this bike offers a maximum speed of up to 45 km/h and an endurance range of 40 to 60 km. The real-time monitoring capabilities through the HD LCD instrument allow riders to keep track of essential riding data even in varying conditions, making it user-friendly and efficient. One of its standout features is its easy fold mechanism, allowing for convenient storage and transport. Whether it's fitting into a trunk, navigating elevators, or seamlessly transitioning between scenes in daily life, its foldable design ensures effortless portability. The high-definition LCD display instrument provides riders with accurate power displays, speed, and riding mileage, ensuring riders are well-informed and in control during their journey. The inclusion of front and rear disc brakes enhances safety and control, offering reliable stopping power when needed. For riders seeking a compact yet powerful electric bike that seamlessly adapts to their lifestyle, the Ridstar Winner Folding Electric Bike stands as a convenient and versatile option.